There she goes. Mercy's running with her football. She loves that football. So now you know how she keeps her girlish figure. Good girl. Good girl. Did you make it squeak, Mercy? Squeaky, squeaky? We're not going to make it squeak today, huh? Good girl. Come on, Mercy. Where's the ball? Where's your ball? There's your ball. Squeaky, squeaky. It looks like it's time for a break.